Have you ever wondered, with AI rapidly evolving, how can we be sure our data is safe online? In this fast-paced digital era, ensuring the safety and privacy of your information should be a top priority. Welcome to our channel, where today we dive in deep into a topic that might sound like a tech jargon, but it's something that affects all of us. Join us as we explore the critical role SSL certificates play in keeping your data secure in the age of intelligent machines. In an increasingly artificial intelligence-driven world, understanding how AI shapes the online security landscape is crucial. With AI advancements, traditional security measures are being tested like never before. So how does one ensure their data remains secure in this complex web of technology? As we navigate through this video, we'll answer the intriguing question of how SSL certificates are adapting to keep your data secure in an age where artificial intelligence is becoming smarter every day. SSL, or Secure Sockets Layer certificates, are like digital passports, verifying the identity of websites and establishing a secure connection between your device and the website you're revisiting. They're the foundation of trust in the digital world, particularly when you're dealing with sensitive information like passwords or credit card details. When you see that padlock icon in your browser and the URL starts with H, you can be sure that your data is encrypted and protected from prying eyes. But why do we need SSL certificates in the first place? Think of the internet as a vast public square filled with both friendly faces and potential troublemakers. Without SSL certificates, your personal and financial information could be vulnerable to interception or manipulation. Imagine sending your credit card details over the internet without any form of encryption. It would be like writing your credit card number on a postcard instead of a secure envelope. That's where SSL certificates come to the rescue. They encrypt your information, transforming it into a secret code that can only be deciphered by the intended recipient. This way, your sensitive data remains confidential and secure throughout its journey across the internet. Now let's talk about the problem. AI is transforming our world in countless ways, but unfortunately, it also opens up new doors for malicious actors. AI-powered attacks are becoming more common and sophisticated, making it harder than ever to detect and prevent them. With AI on the rise, the game has changed. Cybercriminals are now using artificial intelligence to launch more effective and harder to detect attacks. Traditional security measures are struggling to keep up, leaving us in a precarious position. One particular area of concern is the exploitation of SSL certificates. SSL certificates, which once seemed like a robust solution to online security, are now under attack themselves. But what makes SSL certificates so vulnerable to AI-driven threats? Well, it all boils down to the fact that certificates rely on trust and validation, which can be manipulated by AI. Let me explain. AI algorithms can be trained to recognize patterns and mimic human behavior, making it possible for attackers to create convincing deepfakes or manipulated images and videos that could deceive even the most discerning user. Similarly, AI can be used to generate synthetic identities and forge documents, making it harder to verify the authenticity of information. This means that the traditional methods of validating identities and information are no longer foolproof, opening the door to new forms of cyber attacks. Imagine a scenario where an attacker uses AI to create a fake version of your bank's website, complete with a forged SSL certificate. If you unknowingly enter your login credentials on that fake site, you've just handed your hard-earned cash directly to a cyber criminal. And that's not just a theoretical risk, it's already happening. Recent cases of AI-powered phishing attacks have shown how easily attackers can deceive users with fake identities and manipulated data. So how does this affect you? Well, nearly every aspect of our lives involves some form of online interaction. From banking and shopping to social media and streaming services, our personal and financial information is constantly at risk. And as AI becomes more prevalent, the sophistication of these attacks will only increase. The good news is that there are solutions to this growing problem. SSL certificates are evolving to incorporate AI-driven security features that can detect and prevent many of these AI-powered attacks. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, SSL certificates can analyze user behavior and identify suspicious activities in real time. For example, if an attacker attempts to access a large amount of data or performs multiple failed login attempts, the SSL certificate can block the request and prevent unauthorized access. Additionally, SSL certificates can be designed to detect anomalies in network traffic, such as sudden spikes in data transfer or unusual communication patterns. By flagging these anomalies, SSL certificates can help identify and mitigate various cyber threats, including DDoS attacks and malware distribution. These AI-enhanced SSL certificates provide an additional layer of protection, safeguarding your data from falling into the wrong hands. They're like having a vigilant security guard standing watch over your digital asset. Imagine you're browsing through your favorite online marketplace, looking for a great deal on your next gadget. With an AI-powered SSL certificate in place, every transaction is analyzed for suspicious patterns or risky behavior. If anything seems out of the ordinary, the SSL certificate quickly steps in, preventing potential fraud or cyber attacks. It's like having an extra set of eyes that never blinks. ensuring your online experience remains safe and secure. But the benefits don't stop there. AI-driven SSL certificates also offer robust fraud detection capabilities. By continuously monitoring your online activity, they can spot fraudulent transactions almost instantly. For instance, if someone tries to make a massive purchase on your account while you're on vacation, the AI-powered SSL certificate can raise an alarm, notifying you or your bank in real time. This immediate response can save you from potential financial losses and identity theft, giving you peace of mind knowing that your online accounts are protected. Moreover, these AI-enhanced SSL certificates are incredibly efficient, analyzing vast amounts of data in milliseconds. They can spot patterns and anomalies that would take a human analyst hours to detect, providing unparalleled levels of protection. There are lightning-fast response times. Ensure that your online experience remains smooth and uninterrupted, all while keeping you safe from the latest AI-powered cyber threats. Now let's talk about the future. As we continue to navigate the uncharted waters of artificial intelligence, it's essential to stay ahead of the curve. The future of SSL certificates lies in their ability to evolve and adapt to the ever-changing threat landscape. As AI becomes more prevalent, SSL certificates must continue to incorporate new security features and protocols to ensure the safety of our data. For example, the next generation of SSL certificates could leverage blockchain technology to create tamper-evident records of online activity. This would help detect and prevent cyber attacks by providing a transparent and auditable trail of all transactions. Another exciting development is the use of post-quantum cryptography in SSL certificates. This cutting-edge technology is designed to withstand attacks from quantum computers, which are still theoretical, but could pose a significant threat to current cryptographic methods. By incorporating post-quantum cryptography, SSL certificates can ensure the long-term security of our data, even in the face of these powerful computing systems. The future of SSL certificates is bright with possibilities. As the online security landscape continues to evolve, SSL certificates will play an increasingly vital role in protecting our data and privacy. Embracing innovation and staying informed will be key to ensuring a secure and trustworthy online experience for everyone. Remember, in the ever-evolving world of technology, knowledge is power. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay ahead of the curve. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the fascinating world of certificates and AI. We hope this video has shed some light on how these digital guardians are adapting to keep your data secure in an age of intelligent machines. As we continue to explore the intersection of AI and online security, we invite you to stay tuned for more insightful content. Together, let's navigate the digital world with confidence, knowing that every click and transaction is protected by the evolving shield of SSL certificate.